Hi everyone, welcome to box break number 1 of 2012 Topps Inception. Current time is 5:12, Thursday, July 18th. So let's go ahead and get this box open and see what we have in store for us today. Very first card that we have is Joe Flacco for the Baltimore Ravens. Second card up, Dwayne Bowe, wide receiver, Kansas City Chiefs. For the New England Patriots, we've got Aaron Hernandez, numbered to 252. For the Seattle Seahawks, we have Matt Flynn, numbered to 75. For the Minnesota Vikings, we have a 3-color patch of Jarius Wright, numbered to, is that even, it's not numbered, okay. For the New York Giants, we have Ruben Randall, number to 150, autograph card. And for the Miami Dolphins, we've got Ryan Tannehill, 3-color patch, number to 210. Well, there you have it. Thank you all for bidding and hope to see you all again soon.